Hi everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor, and today's session let us discuss about integration part 2. As this part carries 1 7 question, integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. So as it is in the form of integral 1 by a plus b cos x into dx. If it is in the form of integral 1 by a plus b cos x into dx, then what to do? We need to assume put tan x by 2 equal to t. What we have to do? We need to take tan x by 2 equal to t. Right? We know that. So let us derive tan x by 2. Let us differentiate. What is the differentiation of tan x? Which is secant square x by 2. Again the differentiation of x by 2. That is 1 by 2. Again x differentiation dx equal to t differentiation dt. Children, is it clear? Tan x by 2 differentiation secant square x by 2. Again x by 2. 1 by 2. Again x differentiation dx equal to dt. Okay, so cross multiplication 2 into dt, that is 2 dt. Here we have secant square x by 2 into dx. Okay, how can I write as secant square x by 2? I can write as 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx equal to 2 dt. So 1 plus tan square x by 2 I can take it as, already we took tan x by 2 as t. So I can write as t square into dx equal to 2 dt. So here 1 plus t square is multiplying transpose. What you will get? 2x equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Children, did you understand? In the place of dx, I can write as 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Once again I am explaining. Okay, try to understand what I did. Let us consider tan x by 2 equal to t. Tan x derivation is secant square x by 2. Again internal derivation x derivation 1 by 2 into again x derivation dx with respect to x we are doing into dx equal to dt. Secant square x by 2 into dx cross multiplication 2 into dt 2 dt. Secant square x by 2 according to trigonometric identity I can write as 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx equal to 2 dt. 1 plus tan x by 2 means t, power square is there, 1 plus t square into dx equal to 2 dt. 1 plus t square I transpose, you will get 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now the thing is, here we have cos x. How to express cos x in terms of t? I can express that as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, because we have the formula. What is the formula for cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So how can I write as cos x? I can write as cos x as 1 minus cos x as I can write as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, right? If it is 2 theta, you got here theta. If it is only x, you will get x by 2, x by 2. Already we assume that tan x by 2 as t, right? So 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Suppose if you want cos sin x, as we have the formula of sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Intermediate first year trigonometry we did, right? So sin 2 theta formula what? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sin x formula is what? 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. So already we know that tan x by 2 value is t, and 1 plus tan x by 2 value t, 2t by 1 plus t square. Children, from this I explained the basic. What is dx? Whenever we are solving this type of problem, in the place place of dx we have to take 2 dt by 1 plus t square. If it is sin x is there, we have to take it as 2t by 1 plus t square. If it is cos x is there, we have to take it as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this is the basic thing. Before solving the problems we need to understand. Dx value is 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x value is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay children, I hope you understood what is dx value, what is sin x value, and what is cos x value. So now let us solve the problem. Integral dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 5 plus 4 into cos x value is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Right? Now listen carefully. So integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square divided by, and nothing means 1, as the LCM is 1 plus t square. So 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square gets cancelled. What you will get? 2 dt by 5 1 ja 5 plus 5 into t square, 5 t square, 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 into t square, 4 t square. So 2 dt by 5 t square minus 4 t square, that is t square, plus 5 plus 4, 9. Okay children, what we got? 2 dt by t square plus 9. Let me take 2 outside. Integral dt by t square plus 9 I can write as 3 square. 9 I can write as t square. Now which is in the form of what? Integral 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 by a into tan inverse x by a, right? Which is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square into dt. So we know that integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So 2 into 1 by a in the sense 3, tan inverse x in the sense t by a in the sense 3, tan inverse t by 3. So what do you mean by t? T means what? We have assumed as, tan inverse t in the sense what? Tan x by 2 by 3. So tan inverse of tan x by 2 by 3, right? So we can also write 2 into 1, 2 by 3 into tan inverse of tan x by 2 by 3 plus c. Children, why I have written here in the place of t tan x by 2? As we need to assume, as I told you, we need to put tan x by 2 value as t. That is the reason in the place of t I have substituted tan x by 2. Is it clear children? Did you understand? Simply, as integral 1 by x square plus a square formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. We have substituted in the place of x means t, a means 3 here. That's all. Is it clear? This is our first method. Let us go with the second problem. Now coming to second problem, integral dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. In the previous problem, integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. Here integral dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. We know children, what do you mean by dx? Dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 4 plus 5 into, what do you mean by sin x? Sin x means 2t by 1 plus t square, right? Now integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square divided by, nothing means 1, as the LCM is 1 plus t square, 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 2t, 5 to the 10t, 1 plus t square gets cancelled. Integral 2 dt by 4 into 1 4 plus 4 into t square, 4t square plus 10t. See here, I can take 2 as common. Let me take 2 as common. 2 into 2t square, 4t square, as I am writing in standard form. 2 into 5t, 10t plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay children, now it came into the form of standard form. 2 gets cancelled. Integral dt by 2t square plus 5t plus 2. Right? Integral dt. Now let us find out by using completing the square method. Okay. So if I take 2 as common, let me take 2t square. Now let me take 2t square plus 5t plus 2. Right? So this is our denominator, 2t square plus 5t plus 2. Okay. Now let me take 2 as common. I'll get t square plus 5 by 2 into t plus 1. Yes. If I take 2 as common, t square plus 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, means again you get 5t. 2 1s are 2. Now 2 into this I can express as t square plus 2 into t into 5 by 4. Why I wrote as 5 by 4? 2 1s are 2 2s are. So again you will get 5 by 2 into t only. So what is our b value? As our b value is 5 by 4, once we have to add, once we have to subtract, plus 1. Right? So 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 by 16 plus 1. So 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25, here nothing means 1, LCM is 16 by 16. So 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 9 by 16. How can I write as minus 9 by 16? I can write as 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. See? Now it came into the form of x square minus a square. Right? So integral, we know that integral 1 by x square minus a square. What is the formula of integral 1 by x square minus a square? Which is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Right? Now I can write as, if I take 2 outside, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into a value what? A value is 3 by 4 into log x value what? T plus 5 by 4 minus a value is 3 by 4, x value is t plus 5 by 4 plus a value is 3 by 4 plus c. Right? Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 by 2 into reciprocal, it will become 2 by 3 into nothing means here 1, nothing means here 1 into log of LCM is 4, that is 4t plus 5 minus 3 divided by, again LCM is 4, 4t plus 5 plus 3 plus c. Now 2 2 gets cancelled, 4 4 gets cancelled. So we got 1 by 3 into log of 40, 5 minus 3 to 40 plus 2 divided by 40 plus 8 plus c. Again I can take 2 as common, 1 by 3 into log of, if I take 2 common, 2 t's are and 2 1s are. Again if I take 2 common, 2 into 2t plus 2 into 4 plus c. As 2 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 into log of 2 into, what do you mean by t children? T means tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into tan x by 2. So okay, tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c, right? As we got, the answer is 1 by 3 into log of 2 into tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c. Is it clear children? As when you are going to solve the problem, pause the video, go with step by step process. Once if you complete the first step, then go with second, then third, till you get the step. Don't go with the next step. Okay children, so this is our second problem. Okay, now coming to third problem, evaluate integral dx by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x, right? We know that, what do you mean by dx? Dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square, by cos x means 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, sin x means 2t by 1 plus t square, right? Integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square divided by, again as the LCM is 1 plus t square, 4 1 ja 4, 4 into t square 4t square, 3 2 ja 60, 1 plus t square gets cancelled. Integral 2 dt by, if I write in standard form, minus 4t square. So let me take 2 common. If I take 2 common, let me take 2 as common. 2 into, let me take minus 2 common, minus 2 into 2t square, minus into plus, minus 3t, again 2 2 ja 4. Children, don't confuse, because I want to write in standard form. First t square term, then t term, then constant term. Minus 2 into 2t square minus 4t square, minus into minus plus, 2 3 ja 60, minus into plus minus, here you will get minus, sorry, because minus into minus plus we got. Okay, again 2 2 gets cancelled. Integral dt by minus, again here t square coefficient is 2, again I want to take 2 as common. If I take 2 as common, t square minus 3 by 2 into t, already we took 2 common, right? Minus 1, right children? So now I have to express it in the form of completing square method, right? So integral dt by minus 2 into this, let me express as a square minus 2 into a into b, as the value of b is 3 by 4, right? Now once I have to add plus b square, and then I have to subtract minus b square, and then minus 1, right? Now integral dt by minus 2 into, as is, which is in the form of a minus b whole square, I mean t minus 3 by 4 whole square, minus 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, minus 1, right? Now integral dt by minus 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square, as LCM is 14, 9 minus 14, right? Integral dt by minus 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square, as 14 plus 9, how much children? Minus 14 minus 20, 20 plus 3, 23, right? 4 cos x plus 3 sin x, 4 minus 4 t square minus 3 by 2 into t minus 1 9 by 16. So sorry children, as 4 square value 16, we wrote 14. This is 16, that's why we are not getting. This is 16, so 16 and this is 16, right? 3 square value 4, 4 square value 16, minus 1. As the LCM is 16, 9 1 ja 9, minus 16 1 ja 16. So this I can write as 25 by 16. So integral dt by minus 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square, right? Minus 5 by 4 whole square. So now this minus 1 by 2 will take outside. So minus 1 by 2 into integral dt by t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. What did it children in this step? I took 1 by 2, that is minus 2 I took outside, so we got minus 1 by 2 into dt by t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. Now which is in the form of what? Integral 1 by x square minus a square, which is the formula of what? 1 by, which is the formula of 1 by a 1 by x square minus a square 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Children, which is in the form of 1 by x square minus a square. Formula is 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus c. So let us substitute now. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, a value how much? 5 by 4 into log of x value is t minus 3 by 4 minus a value is 5 by 4 t minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus c. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 into log of LCM is 4, 40 minus 3 minus 5 divided by, as the LCM is 4, 40 minus 3 plus 5, 4 4 gets cancelled, 2 2 gets cancelled, minus 1 by 5 into log of 40 minus 8 by 40 plus 2 plus c. Again I can take 2 as common, so minus 1 by 5 into log of modulo, if I take 2 common, 2 into 2t, 2 4 ja. If I take 2 common, 2 into 2t plus 1 plus c, 2 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 5 into log of 2 into, as the value of t is tan x by 2 minus 4, as the value of t is tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. What did it children in this step? In the place of t I wrote tan x by 2. In the place of t I wrote tan x by 2. 2 2 I gets cancelled. Where we got this 2? I took 2 common from both numerator and denominator. Is it clear children? How we got this step? Integral, evaluate integral dx by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. So this is our second method children. How they are going to ask the question in the second method you have seen, right? Among these 3 questions, they may ask 1 question. No doubt at all. So children, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. So by this video, we completed 2 7-mark questions. In the next video, we will discuss about 1 more 7-mark question. Thank you children.